Here's how to clean oysters. Cleaning oysters is simple but must be done properly to remove sand, mud, and bacteria from the shells. Here's how to do it right. 1. Place the oysters in a colander or bowl. Add salt and scrub with a brush or iron sponge. Use a stiff brush or sponge to scrub each oyster individually. Focus on the hinge area, grooves, and edges, as well as any mud or algae stuck to the shell. This helps keep dirt from entering when you open them. 2. Discard any dead oysters. Remove oysters that are already open, have cracked shells, or don't close when tapped. These are unsafe to eat. 3. Soak in salt water. This is optional but recommended to help them spit out sand and grit. Mix 4 cups of water plus 3 tablespoons salt, like seawater. Soak oysters for 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse again afterward. They'll purge sand from the inside. Next, using a knife, you shuck the oysters, which also means open. You simply do that by inserting the knife into the hinge. Wiggle and twist until it pops open. Remove the top shell, then slide the knife under the oyster to detach it fully, or use the top shell to detach it fully. Oysters can also be attached to each other like this particular oyster. Now here's how to enjoy oysters. 1. Steamed oysters. You can place oysters in a pot with a little water or broth. Steam for 5 to 7 minutes until shells open. 2. Grilled oysters. You can grill oysters by placing oysters on the grill with the flat side up. Grill 5 to 8 minutes until they pop open. Add butter, garlic, or herbs and enjoy. 3. Fried oysters. You can fry oysters by removing the oyster meat. Dip in flour, egg, breadcrumbs. Fry until golden brown. And finally, number 4. Raw oysters. You can eat oysters raw, but only if they're fresh from a hygienic source or kept cold at all times. Serve with lemon, hot sauce, or mignonette. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss future posts. Till next time.